Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you that Twitter has keyboard shortcuts and you should be using them. Millions of posts are shared on Twitter every day, every minute, which is frequently used for agenda tracking. It can be difficult to find the time to follow the shares of the users we follow from our own accounts, but it is possible to do your operations in a much shorter time by using some shortcuts. And here are Twitter shortcuts that will make your job easier. Do you browse with your mouse on Twitter? Stop it. Yeah, I do it too, but we're gonna learn new things today, so you won't have to. So, Twitter's keyboard shortcuts make everything about using that website faster. So, you're gonna be able to get them, and they're very easy to pick up. So, you're gonna be able to use them in a minute. Yeah, it's in a minute. So, not many people also realize that, but web pages like web apps can have keyboard shortcuts too, including Facebook and Twitter. And learning Twitter's keyboard shortcuts isn't hard. Like, there's actually a quick way you can learn them. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a question mark, which is shift and question mark, and all of the shortcuts are just showing right here. What can we use? It's very easy. So let's click this for now. And if you're used to web-based keyboard shortcuts, a lot of which I'm sure a lot of will seem intuitive. But if not, here's a quick decoder for all of these cryptic sounding short functions. So don't worry, watch me, and it's actually pretty straightforward. The first thing we're gonna learn today is navigating and interacting with tweets. First things we need to learn is jump from tweet to tweet, which let's go to add to Twitter. I'm gonna click J. You see, J, and I'm going down. I want to go up the previous tweet, K. Yeah, okay, K. Very simple. So, as you can see, you'll see this blue box, blue frame around the top tweet, and that means now what can we do is, now we can interact with the tweet. For example, if we want to reply, we're going to hit reply. I don't want to reply, I'm going to hit escape. I hit R. Whatever, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm hitting escape. If I wanna like it, you see, I have liked it. If I wanna undo my unlike the tweet, I press L again. Like, unlike, yeah. And if I wanna retweet this, I'm pressing T, and it's showing me retweet or retweet comment. I just want to retweet, or if I want to retweet with comment, I can use my navigation keys and go down, but I'm going to use this, and I'm going to hit enter. It has did it. But I want to unretweet. I'm going to hit retweet T again. Now I'm going to hit enter so I can undo my retweet. So it's very simple. And there's one more thing you can know about this. If you want to bookmark this tweet, what you're going to do is you're going to hit B. You see tweet added to your bookmarks. And if you want to mute this person, what you're going to do is you're going to hit U. As you can see, it's saying successfully muted. But I want to unmute because I want that person to be on my timeline most of the time. That's a fun page, so very easy. And for example, this tweet, right? Now let's go to this one. If you want to see more details about this particular tweet, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit enter, and as you can see, we can see everything. Let's go back from here. What should we do? Okay, let's use some of these tweets that has, okay, let's hit enter to see the details. And from here, what we're gonna do, we can see how many likes it has, how many retweets this post has, and browse the replies. We can browse the replies with J and K. As you can see, J, K, JJ going down, KK going up. Very simple. J is like jump. So And what I'm going to do is I will go back. All right. And for example, this tweet, right? Let's get to that tweet. This tweet has what can I say? Has an image, yeah. So to expand that image, what I'm going to do is I will press O. You see? It just opens. And if I want to go back, if I want to leave this page, I'm gonna hit escape and I'm out. So actually, most of these things, like, you actually know them somehow, but you just have to be reminded. So let's say we're, rolling down like this, scrolling down, and we think maybe there's a new tweet, so we want to go to head of the page. So what we're doing is we're gonna hit what do you say, dot or period key, and it just got me to the top. All I did was this. Let's go down, 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 and I'm hitting dot again, or the period. You see, it just goes up. So right now, what I'm going to show you is compose a tweet without touching your mouse. Something on your mind, better tweet it to the world. So you can also do it without touching your filthy mouse. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hit the N right there. So you're going to write something, which I don't want to write something. And now what you're going to do is you're going to press Control plus Enter. Control plus Enter. But if what you're using is a Mac, you have to do Command and Enter. You see, your tweet was sent. Very easy. But let me just delete this tweet because I really don't want that tweet on my profile. And now there's another thing. We will learn jumping to different pages. Yes, you might think that the mouse is necessary to get from your timeline to your notifications or any other section of the site, but it's not. So there are a bunch of shortcuts specifically for jumping from one page to the other, and these shortcuts work a little bit differently to use them. Like, you need to press G quickly followed by another letter. So if you're a fan of Gmail's keyboard shortcuts, these work the same way. Yeah, so it will be easier for you. And if you want to see your notifications, what you're going to do is we're going to press G and E, N, G and N. And now you can see my notifications. So if you want to see your own profile, what you're going to do is you're going to press G and P. P profile. And for notifications, things like that, very easy. And if you want to see someone else's profile, or you want to if you want to search someone else's profile, you're gonna go like this, and as you can see, then you can write down the username, and you can just go from there. So that's like that, and that's most of the things that you might be using daily basis. But if you want to know more, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do shift and question mark, so you can see all of them. There are things that I didn't say in this video maybe, but you can just be doing these things, right? Just all you got to do. If you forget how to do it, just make a question mark. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions about this video or any other thing, please tell me on the comments, or ask me those questions on the comments so I can come back to answer your questions. And if you have any suggestions about this kind of videos, the content we make or the content we don't make yet, we're open to suggestions, so you can also let me know on the comments about them. And if you have liked this video and found it helpful, and I'm pretty sure you are, because sometimes from clicking like this, there's this kind of pain here, and if you're addicted to Twitter, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm pretty sure you liked it. Do not forget to like this video. You're not gonna get that pain here anymore. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Very simple. Another click, yes. So thank you for watching again and see you in the next video.